The power of habit and consistency in achieving success, an examination through the lens of molecular biology in our dynamic world. Understanding the intricate balance between habit and consistency plays a pivotal role in personal and professional success. This essay will delve into the molecular biology of the cell as a metaphor for this relationship, providing practitioners with actionable insights to apply today. Habit, the building blocks of success. Molecular biology analogy. Habits are fundamental routines that form the foundation of our daily lives. In molecular biology, proteins serve as the building blocks for cells, performing various functions essential for life. Similarly, habits function as the building blocks for success, shaping our actions and decisions. Proteins are synthesized from genes through a process called translation. Habits, too, are formed through repetition and reinforcement, with each action strengthening neural pathways in the brain. The structure of proteins is determined by their amino acid sequence. Analogously, habit formation is influenced by various factors such as motivation, environment, and triggers. Mutations in protein sequences can lead to malfunctions or diseases. Likewise, negative habits can have detrimental effects on our personal and professional lives. Consistency, the engine that drives success. Molecular biology analogy. While habits provide the building blocks, consistency is the engine that drives success. In molecular biology, enzymes are proteins that catalyze chemical reactions within cells. Enzymes speed up reactions while maintaining near-perfect efficiency, much like how consistency ensures optimal performance in our daily lives. Enzymes work by lowering the activation energy required for a reaction to occur. Consistency lowers the mental and emotional energy needed to maintain good habits, making it easier to stick with them over time. Enzymes are specific to their substrates, catalyzing only certain reactions. Similarly, consistency in pursuing our goals allows us to focus our efforts on what truly matters, leading to more significant achievements. A single enzyme can catalyze millions of reactions per second, demonstrating the immense power of consistency when applied consistently over time. Habit versus consistency, the interplay in everyday life. Molecular biology analogy. The interplay between habits and consistency is crucial for success. In molecular biology, genes encode proteins that work together to perform complex cellular functions. Similarly, our habits must be consistent to achieve long-term success. Genes can produce multiple protein isoforms through processes like alternative splicing. Likewise, our actions can take different forms based on the context and situation, but maintaining consistency in our core values ensures cohesion across various aspects of life. Proteins often form complexes with other proteins to carry out specific functions. Similarly, success requires collaboration and synergy between individuals and teams, with each person contributing their unique set of habits and consistent actions. Unlocking success, practical applications. Molecular biology of the cell example. By understanding the molecular biology of the cell, we can apply these principles to our lives to unlock success. Here are 3 practical applications. 1. Identify your core habits. Just as genes encode proteins that carry out essential functions within cells, identify the habits that drive your personal and professional success. Focus on building and maintaining these core habits consistently. 2. Optimize your environment. Enzymes work most efficiently in their optimal environment. Similarly, optimizing your environment can help you maintain consistency in your habits. This may involve setting up a dedicated workspace, establishing routines, or surrounding yourself with supportive people. 3. Leverage synergy. Proteins often form complexes to carry out specific functions. Success requires collaboration and synergy between individuals and teams. Identify opportunities to work together with others, combining your unique set of habits and consistent actions for greater impact. Bye.